In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome. This experimental feature allows Chrome to download different parts of a file simultaneously, which can improve download speeds for larger files on supported servers. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the address bar, type Chrome flags and press enter. This opens Chrome's experimental features page. At the top of the page, click the search flags box and type parallel downloading. If your version of Chrome includes this feature, you'll see parallel downloading appear in the search results. Click the drop-down menu next to parallel downloading and change the setting from default to enabled. This tells Chrome to use parallel connections when downloading supported files. After changing the setting, click Relaunch at the bottom of the page. Chrome will restart and reopen your tabs with the new setting applied. Once Chrome has restarted, try downloading a large file. On servers that support parallel connections, Chrome may download the file more efficiently by splitting it into multiple parts and downloading them at the same time. The improvement is usually most noticeable with larger downloads and faster internet connections. If you search for parallel downloading and don't see the option, that's normal. Chrome flags can change or be removed depending on your Chrome version, operating system, or release channel. If the flag isn't available, there's no built-in setting to enable it in your current version of Chrome. That's how to enable parallel downloading in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.